Good day traders, and welcome to a new YouTube video here on our channel, which is as always an update for gold. But in this video I will also cover up for you the DXY, because in the first place you know that I'm using it for my curation, and in the second place we had yesterday big news. Okay, a lot of manipulative movements happened yesterday, especially on the DXY, on gold, on GBP/USD and so on, and I want to clarify it a little bit for you in this video in order for you to understand what actually happened, because it was simply a huge trap. Now let's have a look on the DXY, and as you can see, this was the last analysis that I was sharing with you here on YouTube, and I was talking to you about, DXY is going to drop down till this monthly support, and on the long run till this monthly support. We had all the confirmations for this movement to the downside. Right now is just, we need to stick to this plan, okay? We do not want to lose our hope, okay? This is very important. If you are doing your analysis and you have your confirmations, then stick to it. Only if you are going to get confirmations for the other direction, then you can change your mind, of course. But be aware of potential fake outs or fake price action confirmations and so on, okay? Because if you got something on the monthly chart, you cannot do a lot of things wrong, because you got on the monthly the confirmations and you need to wait at least 30 days, okay? And in this case, this analysis is still valid this way, and I will still stick to it, okay? And now if we have a look on the 4-hour, I already told you that we are creating still lower lows and lower highs. Therefore, the whole structure is good. It is still downtrend. Only if we would have get this movement to the upside, then I would have expected a corrective move to the upside before we're going to get this movement to the downside. And also here you can use this chart pattern over here, which is a continuation move. A continuation pattern, and the breakout is to the downside. And I also marked you exactly the way how I'm expecting that the DXY is going to move. And then yesterday you had this candle over here, as you can see. So I will mark it again here for you. This big pinball over here. First, it moved in our favor, okay? We were so happy that we're making good profits. Gold was so damn high at that specific moment, and everybody was happy who was shorting DXY and was long on gold, long on GBP/USD and so on. But then the trap began. We had here this demand area, okay? And the banks simply used these orders that they had left at this order block, and they manipulated this chart heavily. As you can see, it went extremely back to the upside, created this pin bar, and a lot of people, they were losing the hope in the DXY. They thought about, okay, DXY is going to go to the upside, so they changed their mind, they changed their trade. But what happened? The DXY was still dropping. So this is what I'm meaning by stick to your trading plan, stick to your analysis and so on, because this was simply an fake out, it was a manipulative movement, and it was just here to trap you. Now, let's have a look on gold. What do we have on gold right now? This was actually the movement on gold here, as you can see. This was the fake out on gold, and it looks even more bad on gold if I'm honest, because after such a candle, you do not expect that the price is going to move to the upside. But in fact, it was, because let's have a look on the daily structure. On daily, we are still in this range over here, okay? This is the daily demand area, and you got here this daily supply zone, and I told you that I'm expecting that the price is going to bounce between these levels, okay? And you can simply trade this range. Now, we had only one problem, which was this structure level over here, which is a strong daily resistance right now. And if we gotta look on the 4-hour, it's perfectly matched with my 4-hour supply zone. So This is simply a returning point in the market, and this is actually what happened. Price went up higher, then to the downside, and then fake out to the upside. A lot of people joined the bulls. They take long trade because they thought about, okay, we broke out. Also me personally, I also thought that we're going to break out in this moment, but I was not adding positions at the moment, okay, because we do not have an 4-hour candle close or something like that. And then price went to the downside, hunting all the stop loss, and what happened then? The banks just entered the long trade again because they have here their 4-hour supply zone. And now what do I expect? I'm expecting that the price is going to move now to the upside. I'm expecting that we're going to break this 4-hour supply zone over here, and we're going to get a good retest at the structure, and then we're going to see this movement to the upside. Let's switch to this chart because I also have here my description over here. So this is the H4 demand area, H4 supply zone. Also here this big daily resistance structure over here. And I still expect that gold is going to move to the upside. The one thing is you need to have passion. Okay, guys, just wait for your analysis to come true. If you analyze it the right way, it will hit your take profit, and I'm still waiting for it. I know we're consolidating here a lot on gold right now. It is not the best thing for our trade, but we still stick to our plan. I still expect that we're going to hit this resistance or this daily supply zone in the near future, and we will do it hopefully next week. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and we will see the next time with a new update here on our YouTube channel. Bye bye.